Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute table mat. I use 3mm hook and 3mm acrylic yarn. Make a magic circle like this. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Stitch first round in this ring. Chaining, chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet. 1 double crochet, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 double crochet stitches in first round. With these chains we have 16 stitches in total. Go to top of first stitch, insert your hook in top of first chains, pull up yarn, pull through slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, top of first stitch in here, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, and repeat. Make 2 double crochet. I show 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, 2 double crochet in each stitch in second round. Go to last stitch, make 1 2 stitches. In here, in total, in second round, we have 32 stitches. Go to top of this chains, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet. In next stitch, in here, in first stitch we have 1 2. In next stitch we made 1 double crochet. In next stitch 1, go to same stitch, 2. In next stitch 1, in next stitch 1 2, 1 1 2, and continue like this. I show 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, in here 1 2 1, and repeat. In third round we have 48 stitches, slip stitch. In here we have 1 2 3 rows. In Third round we have 48 stitches. Continue like this. Make 3 chains, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in every stitch in fourth round. Complete this round. In this round we make 1 double crochet in each stitch. In total we have 48 stitches. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, skip 1 2 stitches. Now we have 1 2 3 4 stitches. In here we have 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch like this, make 1 2 chains, we add 2 chains in here, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 2 chains, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, go to same stitch, 1 2 1 2 chains, skip 1 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, add 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat like this, 2 stitch, 2 chains, 2 stitches, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and complete this round. I show in last stitch, make 2 chains, skip 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, go to top of first chains. In here we have 3 chains, go to here, make a slip stitch. I show continue, insert your hook into first corner, make a slip stitch and go to this corner, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now we made 1 2 3 2 double crochet. With these chains we have 3 stitches in here, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here we have 2 chains. In this round make 1 2 3. Take this stitch on your hook. I show, insert your hook, make a double crochet around this double crochet stitch. Make 1 2 3 chains. Go to this corner, next corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 3 chains, yarn over, make front post double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to next corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 2 3 chains, make 1 front post double crochet, 1 2 3 chains. In this round we have 3 double crochet and make front post double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains between these stitches. Complete this round. I made this row, make 1 2 3 chains, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make a slip stitch in this stitch like this, insert your hook, make a slip stitch and make 1 more slip stitch in this corner, go to corner, make 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 double crochet. With these chains we have 3 stitches in here, 2 chains, 1 2 3. I show, add 1 2 3 4, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 front post around this stitch. We made 2 chains in here, 3 in here, 4 in here, 1 2 3 4. Go to next row, next corner, 1 2 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, add 1 2 3 4 chains, take this stitch on your hook, front post double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and repeat. I show, make 1 2 3 4, go to top of this stitch, slip stitch, Go to next stitch, make a slip stitch, go to corner, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 chains. In here we made 1 2 3 double crochet. With these chains we have 4 stitches. Go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 4, make 1 2 3 4 chains, go to this stitch, 1 2 3 4, go to corner, 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 2 3 4 chains, and repeat. In here we have 4 stitches. I made this stitch until here. Make 1 2 3 4 chains, continue same as before, rows, make a slip stitch, go to corner, make 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. With these chains we have 4, same as this row, 2 chains, 1 2 3 4. In here make chains, 1 2 3 4 5, make front post double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, go to corner, make a stitch, 2 3 4, 1 2 chains, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and repeat. I make this stitch, 2 3 4 5 chains, go to top of first chains, a slip